Hey, Mark again here with Passing Gas Garage. So I finished the driver's side headlight. I say finished. What I haven't done yet is I have not plugged in. I'll get a little light on it. I haven't plugged it in yet because I want to wait until the other one. Actually, the plug is down here. Here's the plug. So I'm going to wait until the other one's in because they'll get power and and probably cycle up and down. The hardest part is this one's a little bit tight. I got the rod back on right here. The way it goes on, the post has like a groove in it, so that this arm, it also has a groove in it, so to speak, and it fits in there. Just got to remember the orientation. I remember it was back, and this is where it stops, so it won't go any further than that. You can adjust that a little bit, but certainly this is turning that little right here on the back, right there at the end. That's how you can raise and lower it manually, and also I think probably level it out. So that's the first one. As you can see, the other one, you see how it's low. It's not done yet. So I'm going to move over to the other side, and then what I'll do is once it's done, I'll put this bottle back in place, hook it all up, and see about how it cycles. So, I don't know. I guess it doesn't really matter the more I think about it, because I got to hook up one versus the other. Might as well hook it up now and see if it does anything. All right, well, you know what? The more I think about it, it doesn't really matter because I can only hook up one at a time. So I might as well hook this one up and see where we are. All right. I don't know if I can set this up so you can see it. Let's see if I can do this. I hate to do that. I don't know if I can do this one-handed or not, but I'm going to try and so that you can see what happens when I do. Right here, I'll put this electric together right here, and they can really only go in one way. All right, so it clipped in this clip, so it held it in. Nothing yet. So my fear there that it was going to cycle and all that, not until, like I said, turn it on. So I will get that other one in, turn it on and unveil it to you and see how it is. All right, thanks.